Welcome to Leading Forklift Parts sharing video. Today I'm going to show you forklift driving axle. This is our workshop for producing driving axle, steering axle, and transmission parts. This is our driving axle assembly. Driving axle assembly includes axle housing, the hub and brake drum, brake assembly on both sides, and hub shaft are inside. The housing of the driving axle are iron caster, integral casting. The hub at both sides are connected with a ring by bolt and nut to drive the tie. There is an oil seal inside the hub to prevent oil linkage and also prevent dust from entering the hub. Here is a brake drum, here's a brake assembly, and here is a brake cable. There is the hub shaft inside the housing. The hub shafts are connected to the differential, which is at the top of the transmission case. Let's review today's forklift parts. Forklift driving axle assembly for bearing all the weight and load when forklift is working. Thank you very much for watching Leading Forklift Parts sharing video. For more information, please contact me. It's my pleasure to share more with you.